We start now with even more breaking news as the Washington Department of Health just announced new COVID restrictions that will apply to student athletes in this upcoming school year.
Sports Director Brenna Green joining us here at the set. And Brenna, this is significant because these will dictate what student athletes and fans will be required to do.
Correct. The long and short of it is this: being vaccinated will make your life a lot easier as an athlete this year, but in large part masks will not be required for participants regardless of vaccination status. Masks will not be required for vaccinated students at any risk level of sports, and they will not be required for unvaccinated students in low and moderate risk sports. However, in high risk sports, which are basketball and water polo, the rules are a bit different for unvaccinated athletes. Those student athletes have to participate in twice weekly screening testing in order to not have to wear a mask while playing. If participants don't want to do screening testing, then they have to wear a mask. Student athletes in outdoor sports do not have to wear a mask regardless of vaccination status. However, all coaches, trainers, and support personnel must wear masks indoors regardless of vaccination status, and the same goes for spectators. Speaking of spectators, there doesn't appear to be any rules for them outdoors, but indoors they have to be seated in family units with groups 3 feet apart. That means no student sections for indoor sports this year. We will most likely see those at a football game though. So sports looking a little more normal than last year, but still there are some differences here.
Yeah, and just want to point out that vaccines are approved for kids 12 and up. So many of the student athletes, especially in high school, obviously, can get the vaccine at this point.
Yes,
right?
at the high school level, that definitely is something that they could do.
All right.